Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So once you press that subscribe button and it turns gray, ring that bell and then you'll know what's going to happen. You just wait for an email from YouTube to tell you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I just enjoy it and I like having it there because I can see right away what the picture is about, and if it's something I want to or need to watch right away, I'll, like I said, press on it and it takes me right there. Or it's something fun waiting for me at the end of the day in my emails. All right, today is a day that I'm going to go through with you some products that I received a kit from Amazon. I don't know if you're like me, but since we've been doing this stay at home and all the stores have been closed, majority of my shopping has been online, and I started looking on Amazon a little bit more in reference to some makeup. I was watching some entertainment show, and they were saying that the Lady Gaga line either was introduced exclusively on Amazon or it is exclusively on Amazon. I couldn't believe it. So I went on Amazon and I typed in the name of her brand, which is HAUS, which HAUS Laboratories. And I went through, and the prices were not crazy high, but they were definitely mid-range. So I always like to try a couple of products. So I always look for bundles or kits. And there was one that was available on Amazon, which I'm going to leave the link down below. I want to thank a couple of my, you guys are so sweet to me. I am so new to social media, and believe it or not, my first dab into it was to do a YouTube channel and then an Instagram to help promote the YouTube channel. And one of my cousins from New Jersey started laughing. She said, you never, because before my life was completely different. It was a business world. I ran offices, traveled, exclusive lines, the whole 9 yards. And she says, you always stayed off of social media. You never had time. And now every time, she says, I see another post from you on Instagram, or I see a video, popping up because she's got her bell on. It's just so funny. She says, it's like you moved to the States and became a completely different person. So I said, no, it's just now I get to share on this platform. And I've got a niece that lives in the UK. I've got a very spread out family. So it's just really nice that everyone still gets to see me, have the excitement with me of the products that I find, and it's a great connection. And then on top of it, I got to meet a lot of new people, some people that have channels that have been very generous, that they subscribed to me early on and helped with me with giving me feedback and things like that. It's just very sweet. It's just a really, really nice community. And then of course, my subscribers, that a lot of you, and I'm saying majority of you, have been with me, that you found me at the beginning and you're still with me now. So the tips and tricks that I'm finding is what I share with you guys here. So let's get going and tell you guys about this. So this is what I received. It came in this package. The reason I was telling you this whole story was it was through, it was through the comments down below that they said, you're finding all these finds on Amazon and you're sharing them with us. You should sign up for an affiliate program so that you can give us the links, and then at least you'll get a little something out of it in the long run. So it might not be a lot, but at least you'll get something for helping us out and giving us that link. So I said, you know what, I'll look into it. And I did it when I did it after I posted my Maybelline one. And that was when I started getting a lot of girls saying to me, where's the link? where's the link? And I didn't know what they meant. And then I realized it was an affiliate link that they were looking for. So I signed up for the affiliate program, and now I have these links. So if I need you guys to, if you see in the description box, if I'm discussing something that's Amazon related, I now have an Amazon affiliate link that if you press on that link, it'll bring you directly to the product. And as soon as I find out what I get out of it, you know that I'm going to share it with you guys here. All right, so this is the product that I bought. It was from HAUS Laboratories by Lady Gaga. That was called the 3 Strikes Eye and Lip Trio. I took the notes from the computers. That's what I'm looking at down here. It's saying it's a makeup kit with a bag. There's a liquid eyeliner in here, a liquid crayon, a lip liner pencil. They're saying it's vegan and it's cruelty free, and it's a three-piece kit. So including the bag, it's a 4-piece kit. So it has this really HAUS Laboratories is the name of Lady Gaga's brand. This is what the back of the package looks like. It's a really thick, fantastic package to be able to put things in when you're traveling. I'm really impressed. But it is just a thick plastic, but it's something that if anything gets dirty, you could just wipe this down. So happy that that was an item that was added to this. This whole kit cost me $36. So we're looking at, you know, just over $12.50 each item. So I think, to me, that is very, the prices are fantastic. So all of them come in the full retail packaging. This is the trick that I do. I did this when I first started, and it was one of the first comments that I got back was, wow, I've been a YouTuber for the longest time. I never thought to do this. This is just an eyebrow plucker, and this is what I use so that I don't destroy opening up the packages. So this is what I do. I take it like that, and it comes out perfect. So a good little trick if you're, I see a couple of girls do it with knives or scissors. There's no need. You just need a little guy like this, go on either side, and then you don't kill your packaging. So this one here is in the color Punk. This one is the liquid eyeliner. And the reviews on this were through the roof. So this is what this looks like here. The top of it looks almost like a diamond. It's really, really unique. But you would know if it's something designed, or, you know, that Lady Gaga had any input, she would do something like that. So this is what the liquid eyeliner looks like. And let's do, oh wow. It is really, really black. That is fantastic. So we're gonna let this dry a little bit, and then we'll see if it looks like it's a matte eyeliner. Really, it went on like so smooth. So can't wait to have an opportunity to try this, and hopefully I won't have any feathering or anything like that, and we'll see what it's all about, but really excited to try that. The next item that was in this kit is in the color On Pointe, and this is a RIP lip liner. They're saying it is a demi-matte, and same trick, open her up. I love that everything is coming in the retail packaging. And this too has that same top on it that has that little diamond little area there. And let's see what this is all about. This is what the other side looks like. So this, I'm assuming, is a lip liner. So let me just see here. It says on the information, it's saying strike the perfect balance of a nude lip and a bold eyeliner look with this limited edition trio packed in our makeup bag that you can find your new signature look. So the first item that we went through is called Liquid EYE-LIE-NER, L-I-E-NER in Punk. They're saying it's their best-selling long-wearing matte black eyeliner, which offers a superfine flexible felt tip guide without tugging or flaking, and there was no tugging, for a subtle to bold precision. The next item that is in here, it says it's their creamy high pigmented lip pencil, which balances the precise with one stroke demi-matte payoff to kill your lip look every time. So let's see what this is about. And that's what the pencil looks like here. And I like when, it's a mixture with me. This is very creamy. I like when I travel for the lip liners to be the automatic, where everything's in it and you just turn it. But at home, I find I enjoy the pencil liners more, because I know that when I'm using the sharpener, I'm almost getting rid of, you know, anything like bacteria or anything on the next round. So I really like both. I really can't choose, but I know when I travel, I always travel with the other one that's called the automatic, so that I don't have to worry if I have the sharpener with me. So that's the lip liner, and to me that is the perfect color. And then the next item in here is from it's called Dust, D-U-S-T. Should show you guys. And I'm just gonna, there's an extra safety seal on this one, so I'm just going to take that off with a blade. I'm surprised that the other ones didn't have this type of safety seal, but they definitely weren't used. You can tell that, wow, this is like really on here. Give me 1 second, guys. Got it. Okay. That was this big sticker that I was trying to remove. And then I'm going to use my handy dandy trick to open it without breaking the packaging. And this here, what's marked on the packaging, they're saying this is called Le Monster. It's a matte lip crayon, and this is really unique. This is it's not opened. This is the packaging. It has this tip to it. That's what the whole product looks like here. And what this says, it is their full coverage creamy formula, strikes in one swipe with unexpected comfort and lightweight matte payoff, wrapping your lips in a smoother, fuller lip color. So let's see what this is about. Okay, that's this side here. So that's the side that has the color of it, but that's the other side that is the actual product. Wow, really smooth, really smooth. The colors are perfect. They are truly, I want to just see if there's anything on the other side here. Yeah, this might be, I'm going to have to do a little more research on it. Sometimes when there's a tip like this ends up helping as a sharpener for the product. So I'm going to double check if that's what that is, but that did come off pretty easily. So I'm assuming that's what this side is about. It might just be a color, but I will do some more research on that after. But this is really pretty. So that is the color here that is in Dusk, and that is the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon. So like I said, to have an opportunity to try her products, I think this is the way to go. It is a lip liner in the color, what color did I say? On Point, and it really is on point. It is that perfect nude color. Then we have the lip crayon. We have the lip liner that we've already put back in the package here, so that's it here. So those are the 3 items that I received. And of course, we got the HAUS Makeup Bag in a black and silver, and they're saying this is an essential bag to take your essentials on the go. So I think this is an absolute win-win. I will leave the link down below if this is of any interest to you, but I think for $36 to get these 4 pieces and to have an opportunity to try Lady Gaga, and then again, it's also Amazon, so usually if there's any problems at all, you usually have like a 30-day money-back guarantee. I don't know if that's the same when it comes to cosmetics. I'm not big on returning things, but we can definitely find out about that simply by asking that online. All right, once again, this is the HAUS Laboratory. It's from Amazon. I will leave my new affiliate link down below if this is of any interest to you. Hopefully you'll use it. It's down in the description box. And as my channel is growing, please always check in the description box, because if I get any discounts, I share them with you guys. If there's any thing that's there that I might get some compensation, I leave that with you there as well. It's all very transparent, but I'm a consumer like you, so if I can get a discount, I want to share that with you guys as well. The same way, if I get a deal, I want to share that with you as well. So I was always interested in this Lady Gaga line, and I was happy that I saw, like I said, on television that they mentioned something about Amazon, and I immediately went on, and I always look for kits or bundles, and I found one. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys as well. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to take the time, it's right underneath the video, to leave me a thumbs up. Supposedly on the YouTube platform, it's really important, because then YouTube will turn around and show my videos in front of other people that enjoy this content, but just haven't had the opportunity to meet me on this humongous platform. So thank you for taking the time to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, and that's found right underneath the video. Also, if you want to see any other videos that you feel you've missed, right underneath this video, you'll see my name True Wants with my subscriber count. And if you click on the name True Wants, that's in bold letters, it brings you to another page that you could then have. There's a little search bar and you can search for anything that you want. Or just go through all the videos and you'll be able to see all the videos that I have done, because I have done a lot. I pretty much think it's been every day since I started this, and I started this on July 31st of last year, which was 2019. All right, we're coming up to close to my 1-year anniversary. I cannot believe that I've been doing this for a year. Thank you all so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me here. It means so much. But most importantly, I want everyone to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.